Hello and welcome to science lesson number 26. So first of all guys, can we all turn and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello.
Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down and we'll take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. When you're ready guys, you can open your eyes, come back to the room. Okay. And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And let's begin by walking on the spot. Stop. Walking on the spot. Stop. And this time let's jog on the spot. Stop. Let's jog on the spot. And this time let's go quickly. And then slowly. And quickly. And slowly. And then quickly into the ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump! And to finish, we'll do 3 star jumps. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Well done, guys. 5. Sit down. So welcome to today's science lesson. Does anybody remember what have we been learning about recently in science?
Objects.
Excellent. That's well remembered. Objects that can change. So let's write that phrase on the board one more time. Changes. How do we spell? H-A-N-G-E-S. Changes in I-N. And objects, how do we spell objects? O-B, object. E-C-T-S. Changes in objects. One more time, changes in objects.
Changes in objects.
Now I'm sure you remember the last lesson. What did we make? Corn. We started with corn, but what did we turn it into? Okay, so we're right, Pak Boom. We started with corn. How do we spell? O-R-N. But then what did we make? Popcorn. O-P-C-O-R-N. Okay, so who remembers how did we make popcorn? What did we use? We started with the corn. Excellent. So we used C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. How do we spell oil? O-I-L. Perfect. Cooking oil. What else did we use? Remember when we put... Excellent. We wanted to make it a little bit sweet. Sugar. S-U-G-A-R. And then at the end, when we made the popcorn, what sound did the popcorn make? Pop, 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 pop. Ned, what sound did the popcorn make? Pop, 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 pop. Remember, that's how we make our popcorn. So we used cooking oil. We used sugar. What did we use at the end? Remember when we had the popcorn, we added something? Chocolate. How do we spell chocolate? C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E. So we started with corn. We added cooking oil. We added sugar. And we added chocolate. But what was it? What was the main factor that made the corn go pop? What made the corn go pop? What did we do? What did we have to have at the bottom? I'll give you a clue. Red. And what did we do? Heat. Heat. That's what made the popcorn. That's what caused the change in the object. Heat. We started with corn. If we didn't use heat, if we used these three items, it wouldn't change. The thing that makes the corn change into popcorn is heat. Was our popcorn nice? Did you enjoy eating it?
Yes.
Was it delicious?
Yes.
Was it nicer with chocolate or without?
Yes.
Better with chocolate? Okay, round of applause, guys. Today, we're going to do another experiment about how objects can change. But this time, we're not going to use heat. So this experiment we can do in our classroom. But teachers, if your school has access to a laboratory or a canteen, you're welcome to do it there. But for this experiment, we're going to use our classroom. You can use your classroom or a lab or a canteen if it's more convenient. So first of all, guys, let's have a look at the PowerPoint presentation and video. We're going to see what we're going to make today. Okay? Make some unnecessary noise.
No.
Don't make some unnecessary noise. That's right, don't. Listen to teacher. Do listen to teacher. Hold the equipment with care. Do hold the equipment with care. Equipment with care. Because the water and the cornstarch, if you drop it, will create a mess. Play inside the lab room. Don't play inside the lab room. Touch equipment without permission. Watch and observe the teacher. Do watch and observe the teacher. So one final time, guys. Don't make some unnecessary noise. Unnecessary noise. Do listen to teacher. Do hold the equipment with care. Don't play inside the lab room. Don't touch equipment without permission. Do watch and observe the teacher. Any questions? No. Okay, guys, well done. Okay, welcome back to class. We hope you enjoyed the video and the PowerPoint about our forthcoming experiment. And what is it we're going to use today, guys? Not popcorn. Cornstarch. How do we spell? C-O-R-N-S-T-A-R-C-H. Cornstarch. Cornstarch actually has two names. Some people call it cornstarch, or you might know it as corn flour. Corn flour or cornstarch. And what are we going to use with the cornstarch? With water. With excellence. Okay, but before then, it's time for our stretch. So let's all stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high. High as we can. Tippy toe high. And then let's go down and touch our toes. Back up, tip. And this time, can we turn around? Can we go back the other way? Can we go forwards and backwards? Forwards and backwards. Forwards and backwards. Hands on hips. Give a little wiggle. Stop. Another little wiggle. Stop. Forwards and backwards. Stop. Round and round. Excellent, guys. And to finish, we'll do 3 star jumps. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Please have a seat. And now it's time for our practical experiment. So teachers, what you'll need for this experiment is you'll need your cornstarch, also known as corn flour. You'll need some water and you'll need 3 bowls, or you'll need 1 bowl per group of students. I have 9 students in my class, so I have 3 groups of 3 students. So what we're going to do to begin is we're going to pour some of the cornstarch into each bowl. So group 1, have a look at that. You can feel with your fingers. Let me know, how do you think it feels? Group 2. You're welcome. So before we add the water, have a feel. How does it feel? Is it soft?
Yes.
Is it wet yet?
No.
Not wet, it's dry and it's soft. Would you agree? It's not wet yet, is it? How does it feel? Okay. What colour is it?
White.
White. And at the moment, do we agree? It's soft. Can we say soft?
Soft.
Dry?
Dry.
And white.
And white.
Okay, so the next part now, we're going to add some water and we'll see how the change begins. We'll begin by just adding a little water, and what you can do now is mix the water with the cornstarch with your fingers. And then what you should see, you'll see the cornstarch begin to change. Pearl, you can use this one. Okay. So now, help each other. Yes, you want some more water? Okay. What's happening with the cornstarch, with the water? Is it still soft? You can see the cornstarch beginning to change. It's now going harder with the water. And what we can do, we can add some more cornstarch if we need to. You want more water or more cornstarch?
Cornstarch. And more water.
And more water too, okay. Okay. Okay, put it down, we'll pour it. So there you go. Okay. There you go. Now carry on mixing using your fingers. What you should see, here's one I prepared earlier. You can see how the cornstarch goes with the water. It goes hard. But what you can do, you can still scoop it. And then you will see it can still drip. This is how the cornstarch should go. Can you see? So even though it's hard, it still moves about. But what the thing is with cornstarch is when you pick it up, it will drip back into the bowl. But when you try to apply force, it goes hard. So it shows you how force, it reacts different with force. More cornstarch. Okay. More cornstarch, please. Okay, so what we're beginning to see now with our students' cornstarch is after adding the water, it's changing, it's becoming thicker. And what we should see, I will demonstrate first, because I've done mine for longer, is that when I pick it up and I squeeze, it goes hard. But then, when we let go, it's not hard anymore and it melts through my fingers. So everybody ready together? Ready? Let me get some more in my hand. Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3, squeeze. Let go.
Squeeze.
One more time. Squeeze. Let go. Everybody, Can you show the video? Down, there you go, excellent. Downs is very good. Black out too. Can you show the video? How it's going through your fingers. This is to show how force changes objects. When we squeeze the cornstarch and it's been added with water, it goes very hard. But then when we let go, it relaxes again. Like you can see on Down's hand here, when Down lets go, it just moves through her fingers. But if she's to squeeze, it goes hard again. And it shows how different substances react with force. Okay, so very good guys, keep mixing and we'll see how much more it goes. Okay, very good. If anybody wants any more water, if anybody wants any more cornstarch added, you want more cornstarch? Okay. 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 Mix your cornstarch first and then I'll add some water for you shortly. Group 1, do you need any more?
No. Water.
You want some water? More cornstarch or water?
Water and cornstarch.
Okay. Who's ready for some water?
Me.
Okay. A little bit at a time.
A little bit.
Okay. Some water for group 1. And keep mixing, guys. Excellent, Lakau. Now, Lakau, show the video. Can you squeeze for the video? Squeeze for the video. Squeeze very hard. Can you see? Lakau, look at how hard yours is going now. Squeeze. Bangpon too, you see now? It's going like clay. It's going very hard. And then when we let go, it will relax again. Excellent, guys. I must say the students are doing a better job than the teacher. Excellent. You see, Dan? You see when you let go, how the cornstarch just relaxes through your fingers. And Nadia too. Squeeze. Nadia, can you squeeze? You see how it goes hard and then relax. Chu, can you see? You want more cornstarch, I think. You need a little bit more cornstarch in this bowl. Watch your hands, guys. Let me put it straight in. Okay, now add that. Keep mixing, because I think you've got quite a bit of water in this one. Yeah, keep mixing. If you can, Net, try to get some in your hand. Can you get some in your hand? And squeeze, squeeze. Does it go hard? It go hard? And then let go. And you see? See how it melts? Squeeze. Let go. See? Squeeze. Let go. Squeeze. Let go. See? Okay, so our practical experiment is still ongoing. And what's happened now is I've told my students to go back to their seats and just to have a play with the cornstarch in the water. Experiment with it, how it feels. By now, they should notice, and my students do notice, that when force is applied, it goes hard. But then when they release the force, it relaxes into a more liquid-like state. And this is a good demonstration of how force, or the application of force, changes objects, which is the focus of our lessons recently. So guys, any questions, any help you need, let me know. And first one is, who wants more cornstarch? Okay, I'll be coming round with some cornstarch more now. Okay, that should be. Who's next? Okay. Okay. Would you like some more cornstarch, Lakdal?
Okay.
Some more cornstarch here?
Yeah.
Let it fall into the bowl. Okay, that should be enough. And then what I'll do shortly, Give that a mix and I'll give you some more water soon too. A little bit more water. Okay. That's how it should be going, Pat. Should be changing into... I don't think this group needs any more water. That's it. You use your hands too. I think you're... I don't think you need water. You can use, yes. Maybe a little bit more water. There you go. And don't forget what you can do too, move the bowl. Let the water move around in the bowl. You can move the bowl around. Guys, move the bowl around too. Some more water? You sure you want more water? Let's see. How about if we... Maybe a little, yeah.
A little.
A little water. How's that? But you notice how you put it in your hand? Squeeze. Hard. And then let go. Okay. Excellent. Squeeze. Squeeze. Hard. Let go. Still hard. Hello and welcome back to the lesson. We spent some time in our classroom playing with our cornstarch and making some models out of our cornstarch. What is this? Ned, is this your one? Snowman. Okay, and this one? Home. Nice. Hammer. Hammer. Whose is this one? What's this? Snowman. Football. Orange. A white orange. Okay. And what's this? Cookie. Donut. And here we have, what's this? Slime. Okay. Well, you can see we've had some fun in our classroom playing with our cornstarch. And the main thing to notice is how with force it reacts in different ways. When we squeezed it, it went hard. But when we let go and it relaxes, it turns more to a liquid substance. So we hope you've had some good fun in your classroom too. And we'll see you again for the next lesson real soon. So can we all wave to say goodbye? Goodbye. Bye bye.